Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the topic user acceptance testing. Clinical research organizations are preferring use of EDC system, that is electronic data capture system, due to its multiple benefits in order to improve the whole research process. Electronic data capture system is a software that stores patient data collected in clinical trials. Development of any software involves multiple steps. UAT is the last phase of software testing process. This test is performed by the actual users of the software, that is, the client or end user who validate that the developed software is working in accordance with the business requirements. This test must be conducted before moving the software to the real world environment. Why is UAT needed? Developers develop software according to specifications provided to them. They are not fully aware about some aspects of business processes and requirements. Thus, the software developed by them is completely according to their own understanding and may not be in accordance with the client's need from the software. Furthermore, there may be changes in business processes or requirements which may not be communicated effectively to the developers. This may cause a lack in software efficiency. Hence, it becomes imperative for end users or clients to test the software before using it in the live environment to check once if it suits to the business requirement or not. Thus, the goal of user acceptance testing is to assess the software against the business requirements to ensure that it can handle the required tasks in real world environment. UAT is typically the last step before the product is released into the live environment for receiving live data or before the delivery of the product is accepted. This test is done after the product itself is thoroughly tested. Before accepting the product from the development team, sponsor or CRO needs to ascertain that software is working as per the requirement of the study protocol. UAT allows the sponsor or CRO to interact with the system and sign off that it works as intended. Now we will see the main steps involved in a UAT. Defining the criteria which will decide the software is working according to the business requirement. UAT test plan is prepared to execute the test. End users or testing team who will perform the test are selected. Involvement of other members from other teams must be defined in advance. Test data are designed to cover all the functional scenarios of the software in real-world uses. Test is executed with test data and the results are recorded. If any bug is found, it needs to be corrected and retested. Once all the defects are fixed and testing team is satisfied with the functioning of the software, sign off is done which states that software is working as business requirements and ready to use in real environment. UAT closure report is produced with the decision of acceptance or non-acceptance of the software. UAT begins when the software has already finished other tests. So ideally, those tests are not required to be repeated. Instead, the UAT testing should focus on important data points such as if the user finds the software easy to use, or statisticians have what is required for data analysis, and so on. Thanks for watching.